Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another reaction video. And if this is your first time, let me officially welcome you on board. Over here, we react to funny clips from TikTok. Basically, just want to get some laughs and have a nice time. Yes, we have some new subscribers, so we haven't done this before. This will be a new thing that I will be introducing to the channel. So whenever we get a new subscribers, we got to welcome you guys. Really, really, really good. So this is for the new subscribers from this year, from last year. You guys are like old folks, but I'm joking. I love you guys. But for the new subscribers from this year, let me official and to the one who subscribed yesterday. Yes, so this one is for you guys. You are welcome. You are welcome. We hope you get some laughter. We hope your day gets brighter. You are welcome. Okay, yeah, boom. That's what I got for you guys. I hope you enjoyed that one. But anyways, man, we have another video to react to. This one is also like the couple pranks. So this one is dropping my girlfriend off at the wrong address to see her reaction. So let's see how that goes.
Not Alright then.
Okay, see you later.
What do you mean? I don't live. I was just saying this is a nice. No, who the hell lives here?
No one.
Hey!
Wait, close the door.
Hey!
What are you doing?
What?
Who is here?
Your
Who
craziness.
lives here? Why are you dropping me off here? I don't know this area. This is too nice.
I wasn't dropping you off. I was just.
She said this is too nice.
Nothing.
You just was gonna say, oh yeah, see you later.
Yeah.
No. Who is there?
Nobody.
No.
Why are you making such a
You
big
need
deal?
to turn
Opening the
around.
door, trying to
You
make
need to
us
turn
crash.
around. You gonna make me jump out in a minute.
Shut up! Jump out, then. Jump.
Go out, Will. Don't test me.
Window. Jump out. Go on. I'll do it.
Go out.
I'll
You
take
did
the seat
that.
out.
I know
out.
you did
So
not.
crazy.
She took off her seatbelt, bro. Jump. That's crazy, yo.
Man, I love Christmas.
Oh. The shape, though. Hold on. We gotta check that one out again. The shape is shaping.
I'll do it.
Bro, look how it was bouncing, bro. What the hell? Okay. I know you see that. Damn.
What? I thought you were just hanging up Christmas ornaments.
No, ding dong, that was my twin sister. She came over to help us decorate. Don't tell me you did that again.
No.
No, Kellen.
Shh, you're the freaking devil. Stay out of my house, Satan.
Hey, I mean, if she gives me the invite, I wouldn't decline, bro. Damn, man.
Bringing my boyfriend to the wrong house.
Okay.
Love you. Give me a kiss.
Love you what?
Give me a kiss.
Why you stop the car?
I'm bringing you home. I have a nail appointment at 2:30.
Whose house is this?
Give me a kiss.
Where the fuck are we?
Oh,
Whose house? Stop the
shit.
fucking car!
No.
Whose house is that?
Goodbye.
I cannot wait to go out with the girls.
Damn. What the hell, bro? Why he reacted like that? That's crazy. The reaction obviously would be different for guys as it would be for girls. That's mad, bro.
Tonight, we're gonna have so much fun.
Enjoy that. Just drop me upstairs. Y'all go to the mall?
Yeah, I gotta go pick up my friend first, and then we plan on going
Drop
out.
me upstairs. I'm just gonna play the game.
All right, Simon. I had so much fun today. I'll
Who the
text you
fuck is
later.
Simon?
What?
Who's Simon? And why the hell are we here at this house, Brittany?
I'm dropping you home.
Here?
Oh shoot!
Stop this shit. Stop the car.
No.
Stop the car, Brittany. Stop this
What?
shit. Does Simon live here?
No, my
So why you
hand
stop?
hurting.
You going out with Simon? You think I'm dumb? You trying to play me? You're not going out with no damn girl. Simon!
Rayon! No! Rayon! Rayon! No! Rayon! Rayon!
Yeah.
Rayon!
What if an actual Simon lives there? That would be crazy. Damn, bro, that's
Why are you
mad.
stopping here? It's in our house.
Oh shit.
What do you mean, oh shit?
No, my bad.
Who lives there?
No one.
What girl lives there?
No one lives
Who
there.
lives there?
Babe, it's
no, now I wanna go
nothing.
see who lives
It's
there.
nothing.
Now
Shut
I wanna
the-
go-
shut the- Wow.
Stop the car. I'm
Shut
gonna
the
go see who
door.
lives there. I'm
Babe.
gonna go see who lives there.
Don't get out, Mariah.
No, I would have to put this prank as well.
Would you kiss one of my best friends to save my life?
Yeah. Yes.
What kind of life, like?
My life.
What kind of situation, like, are you in?
I'm standing on a glass floor, and you have to kiss my best friend, or they're gonna break the shit, and I'm gonna fall and die. What you finna do?
I guess I'm kissing her. Tongue and everything. Whatever I gotta do.
Which one?
What you mean, which one?
Which friend?
Yeah, that's a setup question. Which one? Anyone?
I don't know. Whatever friend that you
got
have.
no friend in mind.
Whatever friend you have in attendance. Actually, no, I don't have a single one of your friends in mind. At all. But, like, whichever one, pops up.
Alright.
For sure. Die then, shit.
Yeah, die then. What the hell is wrong with you? What kind of stupid question is that, bro?
Alright, you're home, baby. I'll see you tomorrow. Give me a kiss.
You're lying.
What? You're home.
Whose house is this?
It's your house.
I live with you. Are you dumb?
Shit, you do live in your house.
Who's freaking?
Nobody lives there, baby.
Yeah, that prank was whack. That was a whack ass prank.
Alright, we're here.
It's not my mama house.
What you mean it's not your mama house?
Like, who house you done brought me to?
Oh, shit.
I'm not playing with
No,
you.
wait, come back.
Yeah, sister don't even play like that, bro. That's crazy.
Thank you.
She wasn't playing like that, bro.
Thank you.
Here you go, baby.
Thank you.
Here you go, babe.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Babe, the remote's not working.
It's just missing a battery. I got it right here.
Thank you.
Just let him go. I was just being friendly.
Oh, I'm watching TV.
Here you go, babe.
Thank you.
You know what? You're welcome.
Babe.
Okay. I get it. This is Nigeria, bro. I already know. That's Nigeria.
Alright, babe. Yeah. Got your picture already. Can't get them.
Whose house is this?
Oh, sorry.
Your side chica. Wait, don't go anywhere. Your side chica.
Don't go anywhere.
Let me come down from this car.
That's Nigeria. I knew it before they even started the video, bro.
Dropping my girlfriend off at the wrong house.
Oh, nah. This prank is too expensive.
I'm really sorry about that.
That's not my house.
No. We'll drive. We'll.
Whose house is this?
This is.
Whose house is this?
There's a
I don't know.
cute girl that lives there, but I
There's
didn't.
a cute girl that lives there?
No, but I just.
There's a cute girl that lives there.
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna talk to her.
No.
Oh, thanks. Actually, this is lemon. I think it's gonna be too sour.
Lemon?
Yeah. Can you get me the green apple one?
Okay.
Yeah, get me the green apple.
They have flavors?
Yeah.
The green one.
Oh, actually, that one's gonna be sour too, right? With green apple.
So what?
Taste it?
Oh my god, gets into your bloodstream.
Are you serious?
It'd be gross if it didn't have any flavor at all. What? Can you get me the mango one, please?
Okay.
I think I need that.
I didn't even know Titans came in
What
such
happens if I put this in my
crap.
bottle?
And I had a good time.
Wait, what did bro just say? What happens if it... What? Hold on. What did he say?
Can you get me the mango one, please? I think I need the mango.
Babe, what happens if I put this in my butthole?
What happens if he puts that in his butt? He wants to find out. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that I don't know about that one, bro. That's way too much, bro. You just took it like from here to here. Chill out, bro.
And I had a good time.
Where are you dropping me off? Whose house is this?
Oh, damn.
Oh,
Oh,
damn.
damn.
Where are we?
I don't know whose house that is.
Pull the car over now.
I don't know
Pull
whose
the car
house.
over.
Shut the door, babe. I don't know
Whose
whose.
house was that?
They
Don't
was-
act dumb.
I don't know whose house it is.
Pull over.
Alright. I had fun today, babe.
Why are you dropping me off here?
Oh, shit.
Who lives there?
No one.
Why are you dropping?
That was my bad.
Who lives there?
Dude, close the door.
They always,
Pull
they
over.
always want to jump
Who
out the
lives
car.
there?
I don't know. No one.
I'm gonna go find out then.
Dude.
And we have arrived at your destination. I'll see you later.
What?
Who the hell lives here? This isn't my damn house.
Oh shit!
Is this one of your fucking whole house? No.
Wait, why are you opening the door?
Let me out.
Babe,
Whose house is this?
they made the wrong address.
No,
Damn,
you're
I
playing.
seen this one on Reddit. I totally
On Reddit?
closed the
What
door,
the
bro.
fuck is this
On
about? What are you
Reddit.
talking about? Whose address?
I can't even tell you that.
Bro, pull over the car.
Yo.
I took my boyfriend to Hooters, and this happened. So I did this.
Hey, would you be down to flirt with my boyfriend for like a $20 tip? Oh my god, thank you.
Here it goes.
Whoa, can she get your number?
Girl, don't even worry about it.
What do you mean to worry about it?
Hold on, wait, what's going on?
Are you gonna give her your number?
You really want my number?
Yeah, I want your number. That's why I
You're-
sat down to ask for your number.
You're gonna give it to her? Hold on, you're gonna give it to her?
Hey, yo, yo, that's crazy, bro. What is wrong with y'all ladies, man? How you setting him up like that? That's crazy, yeah. Hey, my man is innocent, bro. He had to. He had to. Broski was already envisioning like a whole threesome type shit. That's mad.
Oh, I'm
That's
sorry.
crazy.
I like you too, honey.
I love you.
I like you so much.
I love you.
Honey, I said I like you.
Okay.
Isn't that the same thing?
Well, then just change one
Can you
letter
let me
to O.
What? I low-key you. I low-key you a
Tell
lot.
me letter.
Honey, that's dangerous. I like you. Honey, Honey, I'm filming. Okay? It's a joke. I
I love you.
love you too. Oh my gosh, what?
Nah, that's sweet, bro. I like sweet couples. That's sweet.
Alright, baby, have fun. I'll see you later, alright?
Why are you parked in front of my sister's house?
Oh,
What's that about? What are you doing?
that's your sister.
My sister's house?
I'm going home.
Why would you take me to my sister's house? You come here often? What's going on? You hiding something?
Yeah. Yo, that's crazy, bro.
Baby, can you get out so I can get the shower?
You can get all these clothes being naked?
No, you can get out so I can get the shower?
Why would I get out? Who's gonna wash your hair?
I am!
That's my job.
I'm capable of washing my own
Who's gonna
hair.
wash your body?
I love you.
That's my job.
I very appreciate that you do that, but I'm very capable of washing my own skin.
But I can't watch?
You're gonna wash me in the shower? That's weird.
We always watch each
Through the
other.
glass?
What are you saying? Okay.
I'm just kidding.
No, I'll leave you alone.
That's so sweet of you.
I'm self-conscious of your body or something.
No, not at all. I appreciate that. I'm kidding.
You're sexy as hell, man.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Can I get in with you?
Yes, you get it. Yes.
Nah, man, that's sweet. That's so sweet.
Fine. My car just broke down. You wanna help me fix it?
You know what I'm saying? If you trying to get me to fix a little something on your end, I'm gonna need you to throw some drinks. So I'm saying, throw me a little. We good, you know what I'm saying? Work hard. What?
I am not your wife. I am a random woman.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to figure something out then.
You need to be quiet.
Okay, I'm just. Nope. I already saw you. Coming. No. Hey, look, ma'am. I'm married. You need to get off my car.
I need help.
What?
Roll the window down.
Ask Jesus. Ask Jesus for help.
Jesus.
I'm asking Jesus every night. Okay. Get off my car before my wife show up. All right, I ain't playing with you. No. Hey. Back up. Ma'am. What makes you think I know how to do anything to fix it?
You look like you do. It's fine too.
Man,
Go ask Jesus.
My family.
What?
I got a daughter.
She ain't gotta know.
What you mean she ain't got to know? You a home wrecker. Hey, back up before I get my wife. Bye.
He passed. He passed, right? That's what you're.
Baby.
That's what you want.
Give me a kiss.
What?
What?
Whose house is this? Hey, why are we here? What do you mean?
His face.
Hold on. Go back.
What?
Whose house was that?
And the silence.
Who lives here?
Sean.
What? Who? On 4th Street?
Hey, even if even if we can't hear the conversation, we obviously know this is this is looking terrible. This is a whole crazy situation, bro. That's mad. Yeah, that's crazy, bro.
Alright, baby.
What?
I'm gonna come out and see you later, okay? You gotta make a few more runs.
This is not my house.
Oh shit, I'm tripping.
What the hell?
I'm tired, baby. I'm sorry.
Why you pull up here?
No.
So who live here? No. Stop the car. Stop the car. Stop the car. I'm gonna get out the car. Who lives here, Rayon?
Baby, chill out. It was just a
Who
mistake.
lives here?
I was tired.
Who lives here?
I don't know.
So why you pulling up in the front of the house?
I'm tired. I'm like, my mind not even working
So
right
if I
now.
knock on the door and ask them if they know Rayon, it's nobody?
No, put your seatbelt back on, baby. I'm chilling. Baby, I'm joking.
She's
I'm
going
joking.
in there, bro. I want to see like the full prank. Like, what if they go to this house and they knock and some random person comes out and they start asking what's up. I would love to see that one too. Yeah, that's crazy.
This ain't my crib.
Love you.
This is not my destination. This is not my destination. Whose crib is this? Nah. Oh shit, whose crib is this? I was crashing in the trash can. I was crashing.
Bro was ready to crash the car. That's crazy. You see, for guys, they take it way different than the girls. Yeah.
All right, baby. We have made it.
Where?
You're home. Isn't that where you live? What?
That's not my house.
Yeah, it is. I pick you up from here all the time.
That's not my house.
Babe, what do you mean? I just dropped you off here, like literally, like 2 days ago.
What girl are you picking up?
Bro, what are you talking about? What girl am I picking up?
What girl are you picking up?
Babe, you're the only girl that I pick up. Oh, what are you talking about?
This isn't my house. I was dating you for 7
Babe,
years.
this is where you
and
live.
it's about to end right fucking here. Who's in this car?
Caitlin, this is where you live. I've been picking you up
That's
here
not
for
my
7
house.
years, bro. What do you mean? Almost 8 years now. What? Caitlin!
Who were you picking up?
Caitlin, April Fools.
You're so annoying!
Alright, we're here.
Huh?
Get out, we're here.
Here where?
Oh,
shit.
Oh, shit.
Who fucking house is this?
Hey,
Who you know in this big ass house over here, Weez? The fuck you got me
house. Close the door. Hey, what are you doing? You're gonna your house. We're really close.
Yo, he's ready to actually jump out, literally. Bro literally nearly jumped out the car, bro. That's crazy. Yo. Me personally, nah, I wouldn't. Hell nah, bro. I mean, I don't know, maybe, but damn.
Close, it's like right here. Like, 1 second.
Doesn't even look like my house.
I wouldn't risk my life like that,
like,
bro.
I know what your freaking house looks like. Obviously, I take you here every day.
I've never fucking been here
ready?
before.
All right, here we go. All right, baby.
This isn't my house.
Yes, it is.
Bro, Leah, are you freaking serious?
Oh shit. Sorry, Jeff. Sorry, Jeff.
Hey, who's Jeff?
Time.
Hey,
no,
relax,
baby,
Leah. He's gonna get these hands. But get me out.
Babe, no, I'm kidding. Don't hurt Jeff.
What if there was a natural Jeff and he's like a big old dude and a fighter actually? But hey, man, these pranks are crazy, bro. These pranks are jokes. Y'all gonna make your partner slap your motherfucking ass. So that's about the video. Hope y'all enjoyed that one, and I'll see you guys on the next video, man. Make sure you have a nice day, and make sure you don't play with your partner like this. Make sure you do not take your partner to a wrong house, otherwise you might just die. But yeah, man, have a nice day, everyone. I'll see you guys on the next video. We out.